Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of April 2021. With me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages, and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, Aries, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Aries, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for the month of April 2021. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we've got discovery and angels of our direction. Also, Aries, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aries, please finally consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's see your person energy here, Aries. Let me just clarify one more thing. Okay. On this side here is your energy here, Aries, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I've got for you here, Aries, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So you could have any of those signs in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now looking at your energy here, Aries, I've got the moon, the 8 of swords, and then I've got the strength card coming up here as well. The number 8 is coming up quite significantly here. I've got 3 8s coming up for you here, Aries. So the number 8 is coming up quite significantly here for you. Like this particular connection or this a separation might have been like for 8 months, 8 years, could also be around the month of August. So a very strong number 8 energy coming up here. Now what I'm getting coming up from you here, Aries, is that you're trying to stay strong within yourself and within this particular connection, within the hope that yes, that is definitely going to be a reconciliation or reunion that's going to happen between both of you. So there's definitely like a very strong hope and a very strong faith that you have within yourself here. But somehow I feel like due to this particular full moon energy, which is going to happen on Sunday 28th of March, even though like this is the reading for the month of April, this full moon energy is coming up quite significantly here. So I feel like this could also be the full moon towards the end of the March, or even like the new moon in the month of April. But generally here I'm getting like a very strong moon energy is currently affecting you here, Aries. So I feel like within this particular moon energy here, you are kind of like feeling trapped, or kind of like you're feeling stuck within yourself here. I do feel like you are having this particular doubt within yourself, that is this even real? Like, why is it that I'm still feeling sad, or why is it that like I've been trying to work onto myself, I've been trying to like stay within like having the faith, I would say here. So staying faithful about the whole situation here and having the trust and all of those stuff. But why is it that still I'm feeling trapped within myself here? So there is something that within yourself that make you feeling trapped or make you feeling stuck within yourself here. And not only the moon energy is currently affecting you here, Aries, I do feel like there is also some sort of like hidden emotion, or like a trapped emotion is what I'm picking up, coming up quite strongly from yourself here, Aries. So with this moon energy here, that there is something that you've been trying to avoid, or there is something that you've been running away from, I would say here. Some sort of like emotion that you've been running away from here. You may have thought that you have completely made peace with this. You may have thought that just because you walked away from a certain situation, that means that the wound or the pain that you are carrying from that particular situation will completely heal by itself. In most of the times it's not the case. So I feel like there is something of within yourself here, like some sort of like hidden emotion within yourself here, Aries, that you need to look out for and you need to heal that. So I do feel like the main focus that you need to focus on here for the month of April 2021 here is that finding out this particular hidden emotion, finding out on what making you feeling trapped within yourself here, Aries, and then healing that gradually. And I've also got the angels of four direction coming up for you here as well. So yes, I definitely do understand when we're talking about healing energy, it's definitely not going to be the easiest things ever. But with these angels of four direction here, Aries, I'm also getting like a very strong divine support and divine protection will always be there for you. So all you have to do here is that asking the divine to come forward and helping you here. So asking your spirit guides, archangel, God, universe, whoever you want to believe in here, just call upon them to be guiding you towards this particular healing energy, or just like guiding you to like pointing out on to what are this hidden emotion, what are the things that is making you feeling trapped within yourself here, Aries. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Seven of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Two of Cups, and I asked for a clarification here, which is I've got the Emperor energy. Again, a very strong Aries energy is also what I'm getting coming up here. So what I'm picking up coming up from your person here, Aries, I'm getting like a very strong third party energy coming up here with this Three of Cups. Now a third party situation can be anything, like I always say. It does not necessarily have to be another person. This could be like another toxic energy surrounding them, like toxic friend, toxic family members, basically something that is making them feeling stuck, basically something that is currently hindering them or delaying them to come towards you here, delaying the union of this connection here, Aries. And another thing that I've got coming up from your person here is that feeling confused. So I'm getting like they are currently feeling confused between this third party situation or between this karmic situation, between you and the karmic situation, I would say here. I'm getting like a very, very strong confusion energy. At the same time here, I've also got the discovery energy coming up here. So this is the main cause or the reason why they are feeling confused here, Aries. The discovery here is that they are discovering things that is starting to make them believe that both of you have a very, very strong soul connection, especially with this Two of Cups energy coming up here. So I feel like they are discovering a lot of evidence, I would say here, or they're basically like discovering about a lot of things that made them feel that you are their true soulmate, I would say here, Aries. So that energy is what that energy is what I'm picking up strongly from them. And this is also another reason why they are feeling confused, because with this third party situation or with this like toxic energy surrounding them here, they kind of like still doubting about, is this even real, like what is going on here? But every time that they're trying to doubt this particular connection, they will always get confirmation, they will always get sign and synchronicities just being come towards them here. This is also another reason why I've got the Emperor energy coming up here, which is them going to be integrating and going to be like going to be integrating with their higher self, with their divine feminine or divine masculine energy here. The moment that they're integrating with their higher self here, this is when they're going to take the leap of faith towards you here, Aries, because they are slowly realizing or they are slowly discovering about the like they are slowly discovering about all evidence that you are their soulmate, I would say here, Aries. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates for your April 2021 reading. If this message resonates with you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.